Welcome back to Terrible at Fishing. Well, today is my wedding anniversary, and DHT has actually sent me a present. 35 years I've been married. Thank you very much. And DHT sent me a present today. I got it in the mail. March's Weekend Warrior Box. Get 10% off. Bam, right down there. On your first month by using that code, Rufino Pro 10. So, this is a all finesse box. It's an all finesse box. So, it has, well, let's go through the top to the bottom. So, Combat Custom Lures sent me quite an interesting one, actually. It's really an interesting bait. It's the only hard bait in the box. Called the Griffin Gem. A very small, what I think, it's an ultralight bait, I think. I don't think it's a 1/4 ounce. Let's take a look at it. They really don't tell you much on it. But it might be a little more than a 1/4 ounce. Let's see. Yeah. Staying on there. Oh, 0.2 ounces. So it is an ultralight hard bait, which is wonderful, because I love ultralight hard baits. But this is it. You can't really tell because I got green screen on. But it's chartreuse green with a red, almost a reptilian look to it. You can't really tell the colors, can you? Here, let's do something. You're going to see this green screen. I need you to see this. Oh, there it is. Bam, bam. Filters. All right, so this is the bait. Come on, focus in. You can do it. You can do it. Anyway. That is a strange looking little bait. I would guess this is an extremely shallow dive. In fact, I'd probably put that lip, it would probably put it at about just under surface, 6 inches. This is a very, very, very shallow dive bait, which is, I mean, it works great. The yellow, the red, the green, and they put metal flakes again in the clear coat. Second time I've seen this. Well, I might try it. I don't know. But looks really cool. Looks really cool. That's a very cool looking little bait. I'll catch something with that. Let's turn the green screen back on. Alright. So that is from Combat Lures. Its retail value is $12. And that's about what I would charge for it too. So next is Fresh Baits. This one. Now, this is a 10-pack of a bug. Probably it's called Hammett or something, I don't know, something like that. I forgot what these bugs are called. But it'd be perfect on a Ned rig. Wouldn't that be perfect on a Ned rig? Look at that. It is a green pumpkin. It is not scented. It smells like plastic. So, but the plastic's pretty good. Stretches and it breaks. So it's not as durable as you want it. So, but it's a good looking bait. It's a good looking bait. I like to pull on the plastics to see how durable, how many bites I could probably get from it. So, let's go to the next one. Let's go to Blue Rock. They've given us 2 Weedless Jigs, 3/16 of an ounce. I always need more jigs. You never have too many jigs. It's interesting. The weedless guard, the weed guard on it is a single wire. But it's a braided wire. Interesting. So, one wire, for the weed guard. It's got a very good looking pattern to the skirt. So, very nice. Use that for my fresh baits. This one's got me really excited about. It's called Jaw-Tex Studbug Green Pumpkin. There are 8 of them in here. These are big. Not for that. I would definitely use a larger jig on this. But extreme garlic, and it's heavily salted. But look at this. Don't tell me that will not catch a bass. That is an incredible worm. Look at that. Look at the edging. I mean, this thing is just amazing. Probably has the same elasticity as fresh baits, but it's got a lot more movement to it. That, I really do. That is going to be the best bait, I think, in this box. I think the hard bait will do good too. So, smells like garlic. Heavy garlic sound smells. Right now, it feels like my mama's kitchen. So, these are the prices. You can't tell because it's green. Combat Custom Lures, $12. Fresh Baits, $8. $8 for Blue Rock jigs. And the Jaw-Tex, $5.50. So, your total price on this is, let me see, 8, 16, 26, 28, $33.49. So, plus any kind of shipping that you had to pay for it. So, for a $25 box, you get $33 worth of stuff, not counting their shipping. So, a very nice box. You know, I think the fresh baits, that bug, apart from the plastic quality, is still going to catch a lot. I don't know how long it's going to last in the water. But that big worm, I think, is really the home run in here. I love ultralight, so I'm glad they finally gave me an ultralight bait. So that is a fantastic bait. So I am very happy with this month's box. So hopefully you guys are happy with your box too. One thing about these hard baits, they are handmade. So you probably, if you got your box, you probably want to have something that looks very different from the one I got. So they are one-offs, which is extremely cool when you think about it. So I want to thank you guys for popping in, checking out the March 2022 Dark Horse Tackle Box. See, it's green screen. And we'll see you as soon as my water, turns from ice to open water. Oh, sure, now it focuses. Now it focuses. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Come on. Get me in focus. Yes, you all have cataracts. This is me out of focus. Come on.